by Armand Benedict. Illustrated by John Stephen Gurney. A bad day. Even dogs can have bad days. This was a terrible one for Arnold. It started when the kids came to visit Grandma. Woof, Woof by Armand Benedict. Illustrated by John Stephen Gurney. Woof. Hi, I'm Arnold. I like to play with Grandma. I play with her every day. This morning, Grandma and I played catch. Then, I saw a car with lots of people, and a horn went honk. Two children got out of the car. They took my ball and threw it back and forth. They didn't throw it to me. I barked, but no one heard me. Woof! Then the children rode their bikes. They went fast, but they didn't take me for a ride. I barked, but no one heard me. Woof! I played with my new toy. Then it rolled under the couch, but I couldn't get it. Woof! I barked, but no one heard me. Woof! Then the children put on hats, and they put a big hat on me. It covered my eyes. I barked, but no one heard me. Woof! Then the man gave Grandma a big box. Woof! I heard something. Grandma took out a little dog. The dog looked just like me. I barked and barked. Woof! Woof! The little dog looked at me, and then she barked. At last, someone heard me. Woof! Author's note. I'd like to thank Linus and Lucy, my mother's dogs. They taught me a lot about how dogs see the world. Armand Benedict.